If you're one of those people who have been asking questions on how you can get migrated quickly, or you're one of those people that your KYC is still on tentative and you're wondering how you can fix that, or you just simply want to be part of those that will be migrated this period, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply get your account verified. If you don't have all your checkboxes marked, pay attention to this video. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 basics, and those 3 basics are important for every pioneer. 1, I'm going to show you all the things you're supposed to do to get your account verified and checked. 2, I'm going to discuss about how you can get your account ready for migration so that you'll be part of those being migrated this period. And the last one, I'm going to show you a technique that you can use to get your tentative KYC approved so that you can be part of those being migrated this period. If this is something that you want, then pay attention to this video to the last. I'm going to take it step by step. First thing you need to do is to open your Pi network. And when you're at the Pi network app, all you need to do is click on this 3 dotted line at the top here. Once you have done that, scroll down to where it says profile. Click on profile. This will display the profile of your account. Now pay attention to this. When you scroll down to where it says account verification, make sure you have your phone number checked, your Apple ID if you're using an iOS phone, your Facebook verification, and your email address is very, very important. Then for those of you who have passed your KYC, you will see the identity verification KYC also checked. Even if you're on tentative KYC, you will find the identity verification also checked. Then the next step is for you to actually verify your password. If you have forgotten your password, there's a step you have to follow to actually update your password so that you have the password to your mining app. Now pay attention. Your password is quite different from your login details to your browser. The password I'm talking about is for your mining app. So if you're having issues with that, this is where you change your password. Now to get migrated quickly or to be part of those that have been migrated this period, the first thing you need to do is this. Even if you have done this in the past, just do it again and you get migrated. All you need to do is come to email address, click on email address, put in your email address. I'm still going to maintain the same email address I've used before. I'm not changing it. That is the trick here. You just put the same email address you've been using before as long as you have access to that email address. And then you click update. Now this will simply send you a code to your email address. Once you receive that code, you put in the code here, the verification code here, and then confirm it. As you can see, we've gotten an email. I've gotten an email with the code. So I'm simply going to type in the code. It says 410331. Once I type in this, I'll simply just click on confirm. Success, you have successfully verified your email. The reason why I did this all over again is that Pi Network is very big on 2-factor authentication. You have to do your 2-factor authentication. They've been saying that all along. What I've just simply done is to remind the system that I'm giving them my authentic email. I'm actually doing my 2-factor authentication all over again. So I've done this and then I just click continue. Now the next one here is for everyone. So now I'll go back again, click the 3 dotted lines. Go back to profile, and then I'll come down here where it says passkey. Now pay attention, this is also very important. This will help you if you're stuck in tentative and if you have not verified your account. What the passkey does is like fingerprint or thumbprint or even face ID. It simply just ties your account to your mobile phone and to your email address. Whenever your account is being accessed, it will ask the person to log in through your phone. So this is your 2-factor authentication. You have to do this if you need to 1, get migrated, 2, protect your account from scammers. It is very important that you do this. So click on where it says manage. You will see where it will ask you to set up your phone as your 2-factor authentication. If you have not done so, this is your chance to do this so that you get migrated on time. As you can see, I have done mine already. Just click the button you see, tie your phone to your account, and you're good to go. That's your 2-factor authentication. Make sure that you carry out the steps as I've shown you, the email address, and then you do the passkey. Once you have done all that, you will see that your phone number, the Apple ID verification, Facebook verification, your email address, your identity verification, which is the KYC, and your password will all be checked. And then for you to know that you have done your passkey, just gives you an option that says manage. The other 2 options below, stay away from it, don't touch it. These ones will just delete your account. One of the buttons is used for reporting a compromised account, but don't touch them so you don't delete your account. So if you have not done so, if you have not protected your account, you cannot receive the migration. If you have not done your two-factor authentication, you will not be able to be migrated this period. So try as much as possible to make sure that you do this. I'll see you in the next video.